Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Tensocoin. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically an investment company. Right here, we have it here on Trustpilot. They only have 4 reviews, however, they are only rated 2.7, which is poor, out of 5 stars. So let's read some reviews here. You can actually get what's owed with simple search to the right support. I don't know what that's supposed to mean. Well-made website, but 100% it's a scam. This person also said that it's a scam. No, any platform, it's scammers. So uh, that's not good. A start. That's not a good start to begin with. So right here, also on Trustpilot, they also rated. On Scam Advisor, they're rated 1 out of 100 stars. Score, and 17 people have rated it bad. So as you can see, they only have one positive highlight. We only found a valid SSL certificate, and they have a lot of negative highlights right here. So the Tranco rank is very low. Register of this website is popular among scammers. Negative reviews were detected for this website. This website has a lot of reviews while being very young. The age of this site is very young, which is also a red flag. The site does not allow us to analyze its content, so this site is very shady, and please do not invest your money in it since it is more than likely a scam. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.